Okay, here we are, and this video is about me answering 12 different questions. The first one is, what do you usually do at Saturday morning? And what I usually do is washing my clothes, do homework, play soccer sometimes when I have a soccer match, or read books, or just watch a movie. The second question is, what is one thing you want to do before dying? Okay, there are different things that I would like to do before I die, but let's talk about traveling around the world. That's one thing I would like to do. And in this thing, I see myself traveling, visiting different places like the Tower of Babel, the Niagara Falls. Okay, then the third question is, what is one quote or phrase you live your life by? I think the phrase is, there is nothing better than a cup of coffee, ink and paper. I know this phrase sounds better in Spanish. No hay nada mejor que una taza de café, tinta y papel. And this is because I like reading, I like coffee, and I like reading. And while I read, I drink coffee. While I write, I drink coffee. While I watch movies, I drink coffee. I like drinking coffee all the time. The fourth question is, what is one thing that most people probably don't know about you? Okay, that's a difficult question. Um, I think so that most people don't know that I love coffee. Well, you have already know because I told you, but the ones that haven't watched this video just don't know them. The fifth question is, what are two pet peeves of yours? And I think that the first one is that I usually procrastinate things about charge of decision that I have to do. The another one is that I usually jump in the mornings. The sixth question is, what is the movie that you have seen more than 10 times? And I think that the movie is The Chronicles of Narnia, because when my little sister was a child, she loved that movie and she watched it a lot of times. And I was there watching the movie with her. Come on. Okay, the seventh question. What is one thing in your closet you can live without it? Okay, there are some important things in my closet, but I think that any anything is more important than my sandals. Okay, here is one of my sandal that I love. I love them a lot because I have lived a lot of things with them, and they are beautiful. They are beautiful. Okay, then the eighth question is, what is your favorite thing in your house? Okay, my favorite things is, well, my books. My books could be my favorite things. I have books like the dreams in the psychoanalysis. This in Spanish, but I like it. The ed and the mechanisms of defense of Anna Freud. The next question is, what is the worst experience you had when traveling? I think that is when my family and I visited Veracruz. We went to a zoo and we parked our car in a place for disabled people. So the police officers took it away and we had to go onto the offices to pay the fine to get back our car. Yes, it was a bad experience. And the 11th question. The 11th question is, if you could be an animal, which one would you like to be? I think that I would like to be a dolphin because I think that it's a wonderful and amazing animal. And because I really like to see the ocean, to see the sea, because I think it is very beautiful and very interesting to see the sea until the most lower part of the earth and to see the animals just swimming through the water. Okay, I'm so sorry because I forgot the 10th question. But well, the 10th question is, what issues are you more concerned about? And I think this could be pollution. Well, I don't know so much about the topic, but I'm worried about it, so I try not to produce a lot of garbage and do things like those. Finally, the 12th question. Uh, that is, what could be the worst thing that happened to you if you were recording yourself? Okay. Uh, well, for that question could be one thing, but the worst is I think that if my mom just come to the door and told me, Luis, how many times do I have to tell you that you don't have to leave your dirty clothes in the living room? That would be a bad thing. No, I don't want that to happen to me.